So I'm just mucking around with the new project I've got coming up. So it's going to be a lifted turbo Territory for off-road. It's currently got my other spare set of 31s on it, but I'm going to put 33s on this one eventually. I'm going to turbo it so I can rip the mud up. That's my other one. So that was version 1. And version 2 is just going to be a next level version of that one. So I'm mucking around, sort of giving it a bit of a lift up just to show. But yeah, keep an eye out, subscribe, like, and check out my other videos, because this is the stuff I do.